Hey YouTube. So today I'm going to do a quick little life hack on how to organize some of your pens and basically like kind of office supplies, or like not really office supplies. I mean, you could use this for your desk as well, but like, or at work, or like just your home desk. I got this little piece from the 99-cent store. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so what I found, what I really liked about this organizer is that because of the fact that it is I guess supposedly a makeup organizer, it has like these deep pockets that are supposed to be used for brushes and lipsticks, but they're actually perfect for highlighters, glue sticks, pencils, or anything that is shaped like those things. So as you can see, I'm just gonna just slip them in there so easily. You can literally use whatever you want. It's actually